Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We are ready to start packing up and getting ready for the big move. We have 2 weeks before closing and we have made a decision that we will be moving in 2 weeks. The buyer of our property said that he would give us time to move out. We're not going to take it. We're just going to move on closing day, hand over possession. We're going to be out of here, guys. In 2 weeks, we're done. So we've already started selling things that we don't need, and we already had gotten rid of so much stuff previously. So we're super slim right now. It's gonna be quick. It should be easy. Let me show you what we're working on today. So right here we got our kitchen table. We're selling it. That should be sold today. Somebody's gonna come and look at it tonight. We don't mind people in the house, but you know, just weird. So I don't want to be trying to carry this stuff out the door with people. So we decided it's easier to bring it out into the garage, so it's all ready for them to just grab it and go. So we're bringing the table out, and now we're going to bring the couch out, and hopefully we can get those sold quickly. After these are gone, we're going to bring our bed out, and we're just going to start bringing stuff out, selling it, putting it online, trying to sell it, get rid of it quick. 2 weeks might seem like some time, but it goes fast. So we got a lot to do, and hopefully we'll get it done in time. So we've been doing some cleanup work today while we're waiting, and we actually got rid of a load of trash just now. And now I have another job I want to get done today. With this mower. You know, this mower is the beast. We cleared so much stuff with this mower, powered through all kinds of thick brush. But when I was mowing toward the end of the season, going into fall, I hit something and I really messed up the blade. I actually had to cut this away because what had happened was this lip on the mower deck got bent down. I didn't realize it was bent down, but it caught something. It pushed it backwards and the deck hit the blade. So I didn't hit the blade on a rock or anything, but the deck just tore into it. It actually looks like it was welded before, so I'm guessing it had broken previously. I ended up just cutting all this away so that it won't hit the blade anymore. And you can see the blade, it's got plenty of room now. This mower is staying with the property. We're not taking it with us. So I don't want to leave it with a bent blade that they don't know about, because they're going to try to mow. It's going to be hitting everything. It'll be annoying. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace the blade quick. You know, it's the way we flow. We always like to leave stuff as good as we can for people. I don't know if they even care about the mower, but I just would rather fix it just in case. Well, there it is. That was on there hard. It took me forever to get that off. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. You can see it's pretty messed up. It can't even lay flat anymore. Well, it's all done. I know this seems like a danger, having this open. It's not ideal, but it will work longer, and that's what matters. To me, it's better than leaving it unfunctional, so it is what it is. That deck is beat up, but it's an old mower. It is what it is. I had to change my coat because it was getting so filthy on the ground. Now I'm going to go get cleaned up. We're going to have lunch. And I think we're going to pull that couch out here, get ready for these people to come look at these tonight. feels good to be getting ready to move. It's almost the end of the day, and the person is coming right now for the table. That'll be good to get that done. We're still working on some scheduling issues, trying to get everything lined up, but everything is looking good so far. Well, there it is. The table is gone. That feels so good. And you wouldn't believe it. This is so funny. Let me get some light on me. They got out of their car, and the first thing she said was, "I watch you guys on YouTube." She was so shocked. She had no idea she was picking up a table from the people, from us, from OITC. That is so cool. That is the first time anybody has ever said, "Oh, we watch you on YouTube." They found us, or she found us. She said from searching, she saw our house listed on Zillow. She was searching online about the schoolhouse, and she found us on YouTube somehow. And she was watching us just recently, a couple weeks ago. And when she saw us, she recognized us from online. So that's kind of cool, a small world. So that's good. Table's gone. She's happy, we're happy. I guess that's all we're doing for tonight. Ashley's still trying to get a hold of people that wanted the couch. We're gonna see. I don't know if it's gonna sell tonight, but I think I'll close it here. Thanks for watching. We got a lot of updates coming soon. So until next time, take care.